December 1980. The world is going through the Cold War. Deep inside the pine trees of Suffolk, England, near Rendlesham Forest, two American military bases are on constant alert: RAF Bentwaters and RAF Woodbridge. These are serious military locations with nuclear weapons, tight security, and no room for mistakes. Then something enters the sky above them, and it behaved very strangely. It gave no radar warning, no explosion, and no normal aircraft sound. Now, this becomes a tense situation, and within hours, trained soldiers are walking into the forest, following lights they cannot explain. This was to become one of the strangest military mysteries ever recorded. December 26, 1980, early morning. Security guards at RAF Woodbridge see lights coming down into the forest. They think it might be a crashed aircraft. A team is sent in. Inside the forest, they report seeing a glowing metallic object which was triangle shaped and was moving silently between trees. Even more weird was that there were colored lights flashing across its surface. In the town, when inquired about the incident, locals reported that their farm animals are getting scared. Meanwhile, back into the forest, suddenly the object lifts up and disappears. Weird, right? Later that morning, investigators are sent in to check the area out. What they found was even more shocking. There were 3 small ground dents in a triangle shape, some broken branches above the ground level, and disturbed soil like something heavy landed there. The findings strongly suggested that something was there, but nothing is left behind. 2 nights later, the situation becomes more serious. Deputy Base Commander Charles Holt leads a new team into the forest. This time, they came prepared, bringing along radiation detectors, cameras, and audio recorders. They found that the radiation near the ground marks is slightly higher than normal. Not dangerous, but unusual. Then it happened again, shocking everyone. They saw the lights again, a bright flashing light in a distance. Then several star-like objects in the sky. Some appear to send thin beams of light towards the ground. Commander Holt records everything as it happens. This recording later becomes famous as the Holt tape. It captures real military voices reacting in real time, confused, surprised, and trying to understand what is going on. In January 1981, Holt writes an official report called The Unexplained Lights and sends it to the UK Ministry of Defence. Years later, the report becomes public. Now, the case has multiple trained witnesses, official military documents, physical site investigation, and real-time audio evidence. At the time, these bases were believed to store nuclear weapons, which made the sightings even more concerning. Not everyone believes that something unknown landed there. One main theory points to the Offord Ness lighthouse. Its rotating light could match some witness descriptions. Other ideas also include bright stars looking strange in the atmosphere, a meteor seen that night, or it could be a secret military aircraft testing. Also, rare natural light effects in the air can be a possibility, but no single explanation matches every detail reported. More than 40 years later, the case is still not fully explained. There is no confirmed alien explanation, but there is also no single normal explanation that fits everything. What makes this case special is a combination of military witnesses, official reports, recorded evidence, and physical traces. This wasn't just random people seeing lights. These were trained military personnel on duty. Today, the forest looks normal. People walk through the areas where soldiers once followed strange lights into the dark. No alarms now, no emergency patrols, just quiet trees. Maybe it was natural, maybe it was a secret technology, maybe it was something that we don't understand. But whatever happened in December 1980, the forest never explained it. And some mysteries don't fade, they just wait.